Another popular way of tooth whitening are by the little peroxide ampules that are available now. These very similar to ammonia ampules in the respect that it's not activated until you squeeze. Once you do activate it, you are able to apply with this cotton tip onto each and every tooth surface. So again, you are targeting, you are very specific about which teeth you're whitening in the arch and how far back in an arch you're wanting to reach. The nice thing about the ampules and this whole system is the fact that it's not activated until you squeeze it. And what they have found is they didn't put the preservatives or the shelf life ingredients in here. And they're finding that that's really what people tend to get a lot of their sensitivities to, the tooth sensitivities. So this product, it's odor-free, tasteless. You're putting it onto teeth. As soon as you do, it immediately dries. You can be off to work, off to school, off shopping. When it wears off in that 20 minutes, again, no need to be by a sink in water. But when you look in the mirror after the 20 to 30 minutes, your teeth will have been whitened. This is a system whereby you'll use it twice a day. The ampules are to be placed onto teeth morning and evening for up to 10 days supply. And that does not, we have not heard of any tooth sensitivity associated with this means. So a great option for people who have been shying away from other whiteners because of tooth sensitivity options.